and Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bibb County and central Georgia, northeastern Crawford County and central Georgia, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mazala, Oregon, 10 miles northeast of Roberta, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Macon, Payne, Payne City, Wesleyan, Lizella, Lake Tobzovsky, Jack Brown Estates, Skipperton, Rutland, Franklinton, Sandy Point, and Arkwright. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 4